first coin on today's countdown is the 1945 wheat penny with no mint mark. And this is exactly the kind of coin that thousands of people unknowingly spend every single day. At first glance, it seems completely ordinary, almost too common to deserve a second look. That's exactly why so many valuable examples disappear into circulation without anyone realizing what they had. But collectors know something the average person doesn't. A beautiful red-colored 1945 wheat penny, preserved in fine original condition, can become hidden wealth that quietly sits inside a collection for years before suddenly attracting serious attention. This is not fiction. If you own one, do not spend this coin until you know exactly what you're holding. Most people miss one tiny detail that changes everything, and that detail has turned ordinary-looking pennies into life-changing discoveries. The year 1945 was unlike almost any other year in American history. The world was reaching the end of the Second World War. Industries were shifting, families were rebuilding, and the United States Mint was working under tremendous production pressure to meet the country's demand for coinage. Millions of pennies were struck for everyday commerce, but the constant stress placed on dies and machinery meant that every surviving coin tells a small part of that incredible moment in history. Although the 1945 wheat penny without a mint mark was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, finding one today with its original rich red appearance is much harder than most people imagine. Time, circulation, fingerprints, moisture, and careless handling have permanently changed the color of countless examples, making naturally preserved red coins especially attractive to experienced collectors who understand just how difficult they are to locate. Take a closer look before you dismiss it. The front, known as the obverse, proudly displays the familiar portrait of President Abraham Lincoln facing to the right. Around him appears the word Liberty, the year 1945, and the famous national motto, "In God We Trust," stretching across the top. Turn the coin over, and you'll see the classic wheat reverse that collectors have admired for generations. Two elegant wheat stalks frame the words 1 cent, with United States of America placed underneath, and E pluribus unum arching gracefully across the top. This timeless design represents one of America's most beloved coin series. The coin itself is composed primarily of copper, with a small percentage of tin and zinc, giving it the warm appearance collectors love. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams, measures about 19.05 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness close to 1.55 millimeters, and its circular girth feels instantly recognizable to anyone who has handled classic wheat pennies. These specifications may sound ordinary, but when they remain untouched inside an original example, they become part of the story collectors are paying for. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to improve the coin's appearance. Never clean this coin. Even gentle rubbing with a cloth or household cleaner can permanently damage the delicate surface that collectors call original toning. That natural red glow, subtle antique shading, or even light traces of age often prove that the surface has remained untouched for decades. Once that original finish disappears, much of the collector appeal disappears with it. Professional grading is absolutely critical because experts carefully examine every tiny detail, including the sharpness of Lincoln's hair, the lettering. Coin number 2. Imagine finding an old penny with dark green spots around the edges and thinking it's only worth 1 cent. That single decision could cost you a hidden fortune. This is exactly why experienced collectors never ignore a 1937 wheat penny without a mint mark. At first glance, it looks ordinary, worn by decades of everyday use, but appearances can be dangerously misleading. Many of these coins quietly disappeared into circulation, were lost forever, or ended up in jars where nobody bothered to look closely. Today, surviving examples with attractive original surfaces have become a serious obsession among collectors. This is not fiction. It is the kind of silent wealth that people accidentally spend without giving it a second thought. Before you dismiss any old wheat penny, remember, this detail changes everything. The year 1937 was a fascinating period in American history. The United States was still climbing out of the hardships of the Great Depression. Families saved every penny they could. Businesses were rebuilding, and every coin carried real purchasing power. The Philadelphia Mint continued producing wheat pennies to meet the country's growing economic needs, but years of heavy circulation meant very few remained untouched. These pennies became witnesses to an era of recovery, changing industries and everyday American life. Every scratch, every worn edge, and every natural color change tells a story that collectors deeply appreciate today. That connection to history is one reason demand continues to grow, while available examples become harder to find. Turn the coin over in your hand, and you'll immediately recognize one of America's most beloved designs. The front, known as the obverse, features the famous portrait of President Abraham Lincoln facing to the right, along with the words "In God We Trust" across the top, liberty to the left, and the date 1937 on the right. Because there is no mint mark beneath the date, this coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Flip it over, and you'll find two graceful wheat ears surrounding the inscriptions 1 cent and United States of America, with the national motto E pluribus unum proudly displayed above. Collectors carefully inspect every letter, every edge of the wheat stalks, and the natural color across the entire surface before deciding whether a coin deserves serious attention. What makes this coin even more fascinating is its metal composition and physical characteristics. The 1937 wheat penny was struck from 95% copper, with the remaining 5% made up of tin and zinc, creating the rich bronze appearance that collectors love. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams, measures 19.05 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of about 1.52 millimeters, and a girth that matches the standard circumference for a Lincoln cent of its era. While these specifications may sound ordinary, collectors compare them carefully because the original feel of the coin helps confirm authenticity. Even its natural balance in your hand can reveal whether you're holding an original piece of American history or something that deserves a closer examination. Now pay attention to those dark green spots around the edges on both the obverse and reverse. Most people immediately think the coin is damaged, but experienced collectors know the difference between natural aging and destructive corrosion. Original dark toning and stable green patina developed over many decades can actually add character when the underlying surfaces remain solid. That antique appearance tells a story that cannot be recreated overnight. This is exactly why you should never clean the coin. One attempt to polish away those natural colors can permanently destroy the original surface that collectors value most. Once the original toning disappears, so can a significant portion of the coin's collector appeal. Professional grading is critical because experts can determine whether the surfaces remain original and desirable. Collector demand for the 1937 wheat penny without a mint mark has become increasingly competitive. Many dedicated collectors quietly hold quality examples for years instead of selling them, hoping values continue to climb. At major auctions, attractive original coins often receive aggressive bidding because buyers know surviving pieces with honest wear, pleasing color, and untouched surfaces are becoming harder to locate. Supply continues shrinking as more coins disappear into long-term collections, creating even greater pressure among serious buyers. That combination of historical importance, collector passion, and limited availability is exactly what transforms an ordinary-looking penny into hidden wealth that few people recognize. If you discover one of these pennies, resist the temptation to spend it or clean it. Instead, hold it only by the edges and place it inside a non-PVC coin holder or protective capsule to preserve its condition. Store it in a cool, dry place away from moisture and direct sunlight, because stable storage helps maintain its original surfaces for future collectors. Many valuable collections have been built by patient people who simply protected their coins instead of rushing to sell them. When buying old wheat pennies, always inspect the date, confirm the missing mint mark, study the original color, and consider professional grading before making any decision. Patience creates wealth far more often than impulse. Today, an outstanding example matching this description is estimated to reach around $325,000 in the United States collector market under the right circumstances. That incredible number represents far more than money. It represents hidden wealth, a silent fortune, and a life-changing opportunity that many people unknowingly lose forever. Do not spend this coin. Never clean it. Protect its original toning and always seek professional grading before assuming its true worth. Most people miss these details, but collectors certainly do not. And if you think this wheat penny is impressive, don't relax just yet, because the next coin is surrounded by even greater mystery, stronger collector demand, and a story that makes this one seem almost ordinary. Coin number 3. The coin described is a 1927 wheat penny with no mint mark, showing a mostly red appearance with green spots in fine condition. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that a bright old penny can't possibly be worth serious money. That assumption has cost collectors and everyday people hidden fortunes for decades. The 1927 wheat penny with no mint mark is one of those quiet treasures that can sit unnoticed inside an old coffee can, family coin jar, or forgotten drawer while everyone walks right past it. Its rich red appearance catches the eye, but many people ignore it because of the small green spots on both the obverse and reverse. Those natural signs of age can actually tell an important story. This is not fiction. Hidden wealth like this still exists in plain sight, and people accidentally spend coins like this every single day. Do not spend this coin. Stay with me, because one tiny detail could completely change how collectors see its value. Back in 1927, America was enjoying the final years of the Roaring Twenties. Factories were expanding, automobiles were filling the roads, businesses were booming, and millions of Lincoln wheat pennies were moving through stores, banks, and neighborhoods every day. The Philadelphia Mint worked continuously to keep enough 1-cent coins in circulation, and this coin, struck without a mint mark, became part of everyday American life during a period of rapid economic growth. Nobody at the time imagined that nearly a century later, collectors would search tirelessly for original surviving examples. Most coins from that era were spent until they became badly worn, melted, or simply disappeared over time. Every surviving 1927 wheat penny has become a living piece of American history, making original examples increasingly desirable as fewer remain available in collectible condition. Look closely at the design, because collectors study every single detail. On the obverse, Abraham Lincoln faces right beneath the words, "In God we trust." To the left, appears Liberty, while the date 1927 is shown on the right. There is no mint mark beneath the date, confirming it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Turn the coin over and you'll see the famous wheat reverse that collectors have admired for generations. Two elegant wheat stalks frame the inscriptions 1 cent and United States of America, while E pluribus unum stretches across the top. The coin is composed of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, giving it the classic bronze color that has made Lincoln wheat pennies famous around the world. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams, measures 19.05 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of about 1.55 millimeters, and its circular girth matches the standard Lincoln cent specifications of the era. These measurements may sound ordinary, but collectors always verify them when examining an authentic coin. What makes this particular coin especially fascinating is its beautiful red appearance, combined with naturally developed green spots on both the obverse and reverse. Many inexperienced people mistake those spots for damage and immediately try to polish or clean the surface. That can be a costly mistake. Never clean this coin. Original toning, natural color, and even stable age-related spotting often provide evidence that the surfaces have remained untouched for decades. Once cleaning removes that originality, much of the collector appeal can disappear forever. Professional grading is critical because experts carefully inspect the color, surface preservation, strike quality, lettering, and every tiny detail that ordinary people usually overlook. Most people miss this, but experienced collectors know originality is often more valuable than an unnaturally shiny appearance. Today, collectors compete aggressively for attractive original wheat pennies because demand continues rising while the supply of untouched examples keeps shrinking. Many serious collectors purchase quality coins and hold them for years instead of selling, believing future generations will pay even more for authentic pieces of American history. Auction rooms often become surprisingly competitive whenever naturally preserved wheat pennies appear because buyers understand that patience creates wealth. If you discover a 1927 wheat penny, handle it only by its edges, place it inside a non-PVC coin holder or protective capsule, and store it in a cool, dry place away from moisture and direct sunlight. Before buying one, first confirm the date, verify the missing mint mark, examine the original surfaces carefully, and always consider professional grading. Under favorable collector market conditions, a fine condition 1927 wheat penny matching this description has been estimated at around $340,000 in the United States. That's not just an old penny, it's hidden wealth, a silent fortune, serious money, and potentially a life-changing opportunity hiding in plain sight. Do not spend this coin, protect its original toning, and remember that what comes next could be even more shocking than anything you've seen so far.